9 Acres RV here in Moncton, coming to you with a very fresh arrival straight from Indiana. We got ourselves a 2023 Keystone Retreat 39 LOFT. This is a rear loft, a rear master bedroom with an absolutely gorgeous front living room and kitchen. Let's take a look. We got aluminum finish on the outside. We got a huge power awning with LED lights, outside speakers. Lots and lots of windows on this park model. 2 more slides over on this side. The rear slide, that's for your king size bed. Storage for the king size. Your furnace, hot water heater, outside shower. Let's keep going. Up front, you have 2 30-pound propane tanks that will be filled up. Looking good. All right, the outside looks great. Let's go take a look in. All right, so normally you'd walk in through those patio doors. Here we go. The pièce of résistance. Awesome. Okay, first up, 4 chairs and a table. This table does extend like so. These chairs, they all have storage. This is the 3rd one, guys. Fat people like me won't fit there, but that's all right. Look at all the room here. So that table easily just moves over a few inches. We will get that done. Super tall slides. You got the theater seats directly across from the TV and fireplace. Little cubby hole here for your remotes. That sofa in the back, that converts into a bed. Couple of plug-ins on both sides. An awesome fireplace that does throw out some heat on those chilly nights. We got a 50-inch TV. By the way, this 50-inch TV, it swivels over and out. And to reveal some storage, let me show you. Check this out. Kick back, relax on the sofa. Angled directly in front of you. And behind it, storage for your DVDs, VHS tapes. Yeah, I'm old. There we go. Pantry up next here in the kitchen with a motion sensing light. Lots of storage there. We got solid surface countertops throughout. Beautiful backsplash. Contour microwave. We got a Furion oven. 3-burner stove. Take a look at that center island. We have 60/40 stainless steel sinks. A residential style faucet. A soap dispenser. Yeah, I definitely see a coffee maker right there. But more importantly, I see my Bordeaux right here and there. All right, the residential style fridge has 2 places to put your frozen goods. It's nicer than the one I have at home. Central vacuum. All right, let's go for a walk down the hall. Your control center. Bathroom up next. Yes, of course, that is a porcelain toilet. We got a medicine cabinet, sink, with a window right there. Nice big corner shower. And lots of storage. Let's keep, oh yeah. Love that fan. I like where they put it. Out back into the hallway. And let's go see where the kitties can reside. Or you can actually use this as extra storage. An extra storage you would have. Look how big this is. We got a couple of teddy bear mattresses. I'm crawling in. And there's a great spot for a TV. Okay, walking down the steps. Oh yeah, that's another motion sensing light. Oh goodness gracious, be careful. I almost tripped. Okay, king size bed. Dresser. Huge closet. Great spot there for TV, window. Back here, guess what, folks? You can live in this thing, that's right. Let's move in. All right, folks, if you like what you see and you do want to move in, 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I certainly hope to see you guys soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.